Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui and this video is being created for a specific person, subscriber who asked me a question about how to replace the battery holder on an HME HS6000 headset. So here's how we do it. The HME HS6000 drive-through headsets usually have plastic body problems, like the plastic body breaks from here or from here. You know, these are the things because people drop them. These are really built sturdy and strong, but when it comes to a drive-through situation, they drop them. They drop them and they break everywhere. So I have this unit and I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the battery holder. Now let me show you what I mean by replacing the battery holder. So as you can see, the battery right here has a couple of notches, which is where the battery latch ons to, on those little notches. Actually they are little tabs, and those tabs will go inside the battery, and that's where the battery latches on. So these are the little notches on the battery that you have to put it in first this way, and then snap it in, and this will lock. Right now this will come off because those tabs are broken. See, it comes off. So we need to change this plastic, which is this, and it's very simple to replace. And those tabs that I was talking about are these. And if you see, let me take it closer to the camera. If you see there a couple of tabs sticking out, which goes inside the battery openings, or notches. Now we're going to replace that. In order to replace that, I will do it on this one because it's a complete unit. That one is broken. So first we need the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the sponge. You need to remove the sponge, peel it off. You can get a replacement sponge. Definitely can't do it when the sponge is on it. Okay, once you remove the sponge, you need a screwdriver. Let's see, what size is this? The right size? Yeah. So you need T6 screwdriver. It's a hex star-shaped T6. Let me get a zoom on that. Yeah, star-shaped T6. With this, first open the two screws right here. These two screws you have to open. Now headsets, drive-through headsets are really nasty and oily, so I recommend wearing gloves. That's why I'm wearing gloves, because it's full of germs and bacterias. And then see this right here, that the one that you took the sponge off of, slide it down a little bit until it matches the screw holes. See that? Now it matches the screw holes. Now you can open these screws. You don't necessarily have to take the screws out. It's in there, but now this is released. This piece is released, and we put the replacement, which is this guy, and it has the tabs in it. Okay, let's put this. Now we have the screws inside. This is already there. All we have to do is close it. Just so you know, those screws are right there. Let me illuminate. See those two screws? They're right there. All I'm doing is tightening them. Okay, they're tightened, and now these screws, you have to put this. You have to put this piece right here, That's the holder. And put the screws that go there. Never over tight these screws, gently tight them, because you can break it if you over tight. It's very delicate equipment. And voila, now the battery will stay there and it's not going anywhere. This is a permanent fix. But if this happens to your in a drive-through, busy drive-through, if these break and you need to hold the battery, then like a temporary fix could be a tape or rubber band, strong rubber band that you can twist around it. But this is a permanent fix. When you get this piece, replacement piece will be provided to you by your HME dealer. They can give you these spare parts. And yeah, so that's how you do it. Now this video is field specific. See, a lot of the videos that I post, I don't send notification to all my subscribers, because only those videos that are important to everyone I send notification. This is for people who are in the drive-through business, so I did not send notification to all of you. And I'll be making more videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.